Hello guys, today we're going to be installing the taillights and the turn signals on a 2006 Toyota Camry. They have the original stock halogen bulbs. Currently the passenger right side is currently not working, so she just wants to get into LEDs. So this is how it looks stock, and we'll show you the after of the install of the LED lights. We're going to be replacing the 7443 tail light. This one's in particular is red, so it'll match the brake light. It's actually a pretty simple install. Basically, what you're going to do is obviously get one of your bulbs that we sell. To do the install, all there is this plastic or the vinyl cover. You just pull it out, that's it. And the one on the bottom is actually going to be your tail light, and the top will be your turn signal if you want to change that. So pretty much all you're going to do is twist out the brake light like so. As you can see, it's kind of burnt out already. So typically when one goes out, the other one goes out with it. So we're just going to replace both of them. Pretty simple. All you're going to do is pop it out. Normally you would use a towel to pop it out, but we'll just use a sweater. And then we're going to get our Lasfit bulb like so. And you can pretty much plug it in any direction. It wouldn't really matter exactly what way you put it in. So you just throw it in there, and we're going to test it out real quick. As you can see there, it lit up, so we're good to go. All we gotta do is reinstall it back in, and that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna reinstall the LED in. Basically, you're just gonna put the LED inside the hole and twist it back into and lock it in. And just put the cover back on, and that's it. Same thing for the other side. Same process, and we'll show you what it should look like after when everything's installed. As you can see, now they're both working. We reinstalled our LEDs. Now if you run into any issues or anything like that, feel free to give us a call and we can definitely assist you. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching our video. Beautiful morning, you're the sun.